This is Jamie and Ian playing on his little truck that Aunt Les got him. He doesn't know how to walk or crawl yet, but he sure knows how to scoot out of that chair and jump into Daddy's arms. Let's get it again. Here we go. Where's Ian gonna go? Oh, now he's gonna stop doing it.
Come on.
Ian! Ian, where's Daddy?
You coming?
Where's Daddy?
Come on.
Here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. One more time. Honey, you're in the way here. There we go. Nope,
Oh,
we don't want that apparently.
Ian.
Ian, love bug. Hi, love bug. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap.
Come on.
Yay.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
Oh, that's awesome.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
Ian's 11 months old today. And he's rambunctious and cute and wonderful. We're in trouble when he starts walking. Woohoo! Ian, say hi. Hi, honey. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Mwah, kisses are good too. Yeah. Okay, one more. Oh, here he goes, Scoot. Oh, boy. All right. Ian, I love you. We love you. Hang on, I'm getting close. We love you. Mwah. Mwah. Give kisses. All right. He's
Ready?
scooting out.
Oh, he was standing all by himself.
All by himself. I saw that. One more time. I thought we were ending this, but he's too cute to stop. All right, hold on. We have to.
Slow.
Wait. It's out of focus. I don't know why. Oh, here we go. Automatic focus. Ian, mwah. Ian. Oh, all right.
Die, mama.
All right. Ah.
Come on.
Ah. Oh, he was standing all by himself. Oh my God. Good boy. Wow, this is too great. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness gracious. He loves the camera too. Come on, baby. Oh boy. All right, we have 3 minutes going here. That's a lot of film for this thing. All right, I'm gonna end this. We love you, Ian.
You love doing that.
All right, let me get him to kiss goodbye. Ian, kisses. Oh, he doesn't want to say goodbye. Ian, kisses.
You're having a blast with this. Steady.
All right.